Setting up Tipalti in Cabuild is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. There might be different ways to connect Tipalti to Coda. Explore the options provided by Tipalti or Coda. Here are two common possibilities. Tipalti might offer an API for developers to build custom integrations. If you're comfortable with coding, you can explore this option. There could be third-party integration tools or services that bridge the gap between Tipalti and Coda. Research available options that suit your needs. Depending on the chosen method, you will need to collect API keys, access tokens, or other credentials from Tipalti to establish the connection with Coda. Follow the specific instructions for your chosen method. This might involve using Tipalti's API. If you're using Tipalti's API, you will need to write code to connect to Tipalti's API and interact with the data you need in Coda. Follow the instructions provided by the third-party integration tool to set up the connection between Tipalti and Coda. This might involve entering API credentials or following a guided setup process. Once the integration is configured, test it thoroughly to ensure data flows correctly between Tipalti and Coda. Refine the connection or code as needed.